Welcome back to Add Art. Today's lesson is for my nephew, Leo, and if you haven't already guessed from his name, he's a big fan of lions, so he asked me to draw him a lion. So that's what we're going to do. Let's make a start. First we draw an eye, and another one. They have quite wide heads, big heads, so put those quite far apart. Put the pupils in, and then a broad nose. Let's bring that down. It's almost like a triangle they have for a nose here. Bring that to a point and up. And a smile, big smile. Bring that all the way to the tip of the nose. There we go. Top of his cheeks. Put these in, then we can put some whiskers in later. The kind of shaggy jaw as well. They have huge jaws and big teeth. Eyebrows in there. Let's put his mane in, make him a male lion. Have it blowing to the side here as though there's wind sweeping across the African plains. Bring that down underneath his chin. Frame his face. Now the male lions have these shaggy manes. The females don't, but it's the females that actually go out hunting, while the male lion waits for them to bring back the food. Let's just continue that down to the bottom. And apparently the bigger the mane, the more attractive the lion is. So let's give this one quite a big mane there. Let's put some ears in, so he can listen out for the calls of his pride. And apparently their roars so loud that it can be heard over 8 kilometers away. They're quite social creatures as well. They have big prides of other lions and lionesses. Let's put his leg in there and some grass. They use the grass as camouflage when they're out hunting. Let's put this other leg in. Huge paws and claws as well. And they actually rest for most of the day. They tend to rest for about 20 hours a day. So put his back leg in here. And they use this grass as camouflage. And they tend to go out hunting at night. They have very good night vision, but it's a lot cooler for them at night. Put his tail in, this thick tail. There we go, so he's just sat down, conserving his energy during the day, ready to go out at night. Bring his body up there. Just put some savannah plain in the background. So they live in Africa, roam these plains, very flat open spaces. So they have to use the grass, and their colourings help camouflage them as well. The sun in there, casting this long shadow. It's starting to look good, so we can put some grass in here, some bigger ones at the front, smaller ones at the back to look as though they're disappearing into the distance. Big one there. I think we'll do one on the other side as well. There we go. Vultures here, almost as though they're circling, looking for any leftovers that the lion might not have eaten. Some fur detail in here, on the leg, his body, on his tail. Maybe do some little flies buzzing around the tail. He's using the tail to swat them away. Let's put some detail into this impressive mane of his. And there we go. There's our lion in Africa. I hope Leo likes that one. If you've enjoyed drawing along with this and liked the lesson, please do hit the button below. And remember to subscribe if you want to see any new videos that I post. And if you've got any suggestions of anything that you want me to draw, then get a grown-up to get in contact with me on my Instagram account, which is @_art_king. And you can make a suggestion there, and maybe I'll choose your drawing to draw next. Well, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you again on @art. Bye for now.